I'm going to show you how you can get entries using just one moving average on your chart. You can modify this strategy to combine it with the one candlestick strategy, as I've shown you guys before in these videos. All right, so if you like the content that I share with you guys, give a like on the video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and also comment down below with your thoughts and questions, and let's push forward. Let's go on the screen and I'll show you how to trade this strategy. Let's get started. All right, traders, so we are here on the Euro USD chart. Now, to trade with this simple moving average strategy, you only need to add a moving average on your chart. Like the way you see me here, I've added one moving average. If you understand this strategy, it's going to be very important and to help you as you're looking to advance your knowledge in trading. Now, this strategy is based on a moving average, which is a lagging indicator. I know the moving average is a lagging indicator and it is not a replacement of price action, but this can help you even as you advance your knowledge in trading, as I'm going to show you guys right now. So what you do, just go to your indicators and add a 20 period moving average. All right, you can use simple moving average or you can use exponential. All right, so just apply it on the chart like the way you see it here, or let me just change this appearance to yellow so that we can be able to see it clearly. You can see now. How do you trade this strategy? All you're looking at is the candles to break above or below the moving average. So let's start from this area right here. You can see, first confirm that the trend is going down or going up so that you can have better entries. All right, so don't just randomly enter trades. Try to trade in the direction of the market. All right, so in this case we see that the market is moving down. For example, here it went up, then it came down, then it went up, then it came down, breaking this low. All right, so you can see here the market is moving in a downtrend because you can see that the previous structure here is being broken and then retested. The market is breaking and retesting structure levels, right? So it is a downtrend here. So in a downtrend, we wait for the price to break below the moving average, just below the moving average. Any candle that breaks below the moving average after it has been on top of the moving average, like in this area here, we see that the price breaks below the moving average at this candle here, right? Let me just zoom in that area so that we can be able to see clearly. So in this area here, you can see that this candle closes below this moving average right here, this red candle. So there you're going to enter a trade, but now where do you put your stop loss and take profit? That is what I want to teach you in this video, because it's going to really contribute a lot to how you're going to succeed using this strategy. So you want to first measure, all right, first measure the distance between the most recent high created before this candle breaks this moving average, which is this area. This red candle here breaks the moving average. Measure that distance like that, and then carry this same measurement below the moving average from the point where that red candle breaks it, like that. Okay, and then you can double it later, right? So that is what you first want to do. Then you're going to take your trade or set a sell limit order at that candle's close, this red candle's close. So if you put a sell here, our stop loss is going to be above that previous high where we've measured, and then we can take a 1-to-1 here and secure profit here. Okay, or you can just double that to get a 1-to-2. As you know, risk to reward ratios are important in trading. So you can see that this trade would give you a profit. You can see here, even in this area here, you have multiple entries. There are multiple entries here. If you miss this first one, you can take an entry, for example, when this candle here breaks below the moving average. You can just measure from that candle's most recent high or most recent lower high here. You can measure from there and then take a 1-to-2. For example, your stop loss is going to be up there, and then you put a sell limit order down here, and then your stop loss is going to be just above this most recent high, and then you target a 1-to-2. Something like this. You can still win this trade. I've taught this strategy before on the channel, but I felt like this time I want to really show you guys how to use this strategy and add it onto your trading strategies. All right, so in a buying scenario, you want to just wait for the market to break and close above the moving average. Like for example here, this candle didn't close above. It broke above but didn't close above. the next candle closes above. So that is where you're going to take your trade, right? You're going to measure the distance from the most recent low, which is here, to that candle that breaks above the moving average like this. Then you carry this like that and put it on top of that candle like that. That will be your take profit for a 1-to-1. So here you would put a buy limit order there, and then your stop loss is going to be below this previous low here. That is why you're going to put your stop loss, and then you can take a 1-to-1 here like this, or target a 1-to-2. I don't know if this would reach a 1-to-2. Let's check and see. No, this does not reach a 1-to-2, but you can see it comes close to a 1-to-2. So if you're trailing and managing risk, still this would be a profitable trade, right? Now let's assume you trailed this to a 1-to-1. When you reach a 1-to-1, you pull your trailing stop to like a break even, slightly above break even, to secure some profit and let it run. Let's assume this did not work out for you, and then you get this break. You can see the candles come here and then break below the moving average. When this candle closes below the moving average 20 here, you measure the distance from that previous high to that candle that breaks the moving average, and then you carry this and also measure it below the moving average from that candle there. That's a 1-to-1. So there you can also put a sell limit order, and your stop loss can be above that high there, and then you can target a 1-to-2. This trade goes to take profit this side. That is how simple this strategy is. And this strategy here can really help you to get some profitable trades in the market if you learn how to apply all the principles I'm showing you here correctly. It seems to be a very simple strategy, but in application, you have to follow the rules if you want to see it work for you very well. So here, for example, we have also a reversal. So we measure from that candle to the most previous low and then carry this on top. That is going to be a 1-to-1. So that is our take profit. If you're going to take the short-term trades, this strategy can give you very many good setups. So for example, here if we entered a buy limit or a buy stop order there, and then put a stop loss below there, and then we took a 1-to-2, you can see that it achieves a 1-to-2 there. Also, if you come here, you can see this candle closes below the moving average. So we can take a measurement from there to that candle's low that breaks the moving average. Then we can carry this below there like that. That will be our 1-to-1. So when we take, for example, a sell stop order there and put, for example, our stop loss here, this one will reach the target, a 1-to-1 here at this purple, but it may not give us a 1-to-2, as you can see. So what you do with this strategy, always trail. When you're in profit, when it reaches 1-to-1, pull your entry or your stop loss below your entry to secure some profit. As you can see, this trade reaches almost take profit, but it reverses. It reaches a 1-to-1.8 here, then it reverses. So at the reversal here, you see this green candle breaks above the moving average, this one. So still there, you can still measure from that candle to down here like this, and then carry this on top of that candle like that, and then you get this buy limit order there, and then put your stop loss below here and look at a 1-to-2. For example, take a 1-to-2 right there. You can see this also gives us a win. Now that is the simple moving average strategy that I wanted to share with you guys. This is a very easy strategy to follow, but it has amazing results. Guys, if you want to see more of these strategies, please give a like on this video, subscribe to this channel guys, share this channel across all your social medias so that many other traders can benefit from this content. Thank you guys for your continued support. I'm really grateful that you guys are part of my team. You are part of this channel. We are a family and we're growing together. Let's continue supporting each other. Let's grow together guys. Let's be positive. Let's trade to profits. Thank you for watching guys. Until next time, peace and out.